Hello, wonderful teachers, and welcome to this quick overview of how to do a semester grade report at the end of the semester in Moodle 3.2. So, if you've done this in the past, it's actually very similar, but you'll notice that some of the tabs are a little bit different, so that's why I wanted to walk you through this. So anyways, the first thing you'll notice is I'm already in one of my courses, in this case French 3. And so once you are in your course, the first thing that you need to do is come over here and click on Grades. Now from here, we want to export. I know this is a place that we haven't been before, but you're going to click on Export. And then you'll notice up here we have several different options. You're going to pick Excel spreadsheet because that is the easiest thing to work with. Now once you've clicked Excel spreadsheet, take a look at the different assignments and you'll notice that there's a category total every so often within these. Now these category totals tell you basically where the end of a category is, which is pretty cool. Now, you're going to want to include all of the current semester. So, for example, if this was the fall semester, you'll want to include all of the fall semester assignments and categories. So that way we have an easy record of what the gradebook looked like at this time. And then as you get towards the bottom, you're going to notice that mine looks a little bit different because I have this class currently under development. But in yours, you're going to notice that you're going to have one category title or total and then a second category total right in a row, and then the next semester will start. This is the break between fall and spring. So everything on this side is fall, everything on this side is spring. Now, like I said, you'll notice that mine are all empty because I'm still developing this class and we're just at the end of the first semester. But for you, you probably are going to start noticing that there are assignments and then category totals and everything down here. But there's always going to be two right here. So that way you can easily identify where the end of the fall semester is. So since this is the fall semester, I want to make sure I have everything from here up. Now in my case, it's really easy because I can just unclick all of these and call it a day. However, if you have a whole lot of things in your gradebook, it may not necessarily be quite as efficient to do it that way. So if you want, there's actually a select all / select none button down here. If you click it, as you can see, the first thing it does is not much because evidently it's feeling moody. But what it's supposed to do is either select all of the items or select none of the items. I wonder if I have to have them clicked. Oh, I have to have them all clicked. I have to have them all clicked. Now I can click select all and it'll switch to select none. It should. Okay, if it doesn't, no worries. But in any case, I want to go ahead and unselect all the things that are in the spring semester in this case. Now remember, if it's the spring semester, obviously we're going to want this. Now, one other thing that you're going to notice is there's a last category total at the very, very, very bottom. You're going to want to go ahead and select this one as well. This should match this number, but this course total is actually the total that your students see in the dashboard and other places around the ELC. This category total is the end of the fall semester. You'll want to do the same with the spring semester, so the last category total you'll want to make sure is checked, and then the course total as well. Now once you're done, let's see, make sure it's an Excel spreadsheet. We're going to go ahead and download it, and when we do, we want to save it as, so that way we can make sure that we go into the right place. So in this case, I'm going to find French 3. I'm going to go to grades and I'm going to select first semester because I'm doing the first semester. If you were, excuse me, if you were to do this in the spring semester, you'd select second semester. I want to do it in the first semester, so I'm going to double click this. Then what I'm going to do is write the name of the course, so French 3. and then put fall semester grade report, because this is the one for the fall semester. Obviously, if it was spring, we'd want to put spring semester. And at the end, it'd be handy to put the current year, 2017. So that way, when I go back through and I save all of these in a different spot, because we like to have it in Dropbox as well, it'll be easier for me to find. So once I've done that, I just click save, and there we go. I'm all done. That's all it takes to do your, oh, and as you can see, it's downloaded. That's all it takes to do a grade report. Obviously, the longest part is the clicking, so depending on how many assignments you have. But it's a pretty straightforward and easy process. But if you have any questions or need any help along the way, just let me know. And yeah, so have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.